Find a comfortable position. Either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle gently into the surface beneath you. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale slowly, releasing tension. Feel your body fully supported. Notice the gentle rhythm of your breath. With each breath, allow your muscles to soften, shoulders to release, jaw to relax. Picture yourself walking slowly through a peaceful forest, sunlight filtering gently through the leaves. Hear the soft rustling of leaves and distant birdsong. Each step brings you deeper into calmness, into presence. Take a moment to notice the sensation of your feet on the ground. Feel the gentle sway of branches above you. Observe tiny rays of sunlight touching the forest floor. As you walk deeper into the forest, you begin to hear the sound of flowing water. A waterfall appears ahead, cascading gracefully into a sparkling pool. Feel the cool mist on your skin, refreshing and calming. Take a slow, deep breath in. You're absorbing the energy of the waterfall. Exhale, releasing tension, worries, and stress. Observe the water as it tumbles down. Notice its rhythm. Imagine each droplet washing away heaviness from your body and mind. With every breath, your body feels lighter, peace growing within, expanding outward. Take a moment to feel your heart opening gently. Notice any sensations in your body. Feel a gentle warmth spreading through your chest. Find a comfortable spot near the pool, perhaps on soft moss or a smooth rock. Sit down and absorb the serene surroundings. Listen to the waterfall. Feel its energy blending with your inner calm. Notice the gentle breeze, carrying scents of wildflowers and fresh earth. Visualize roots growing from your body deep into the earth. Absorb stability, nourishment, and a sense of grounding from the earth beneath you. With each inhalation, draw energy and vitality from the waterfall. With each exhalation, release all tension, stress, and anything that no longer serves you. Take a moment to notice the sensation of the air on your skin. Feel a sense of safety and support from the environment. Bring your awareness to your head, scalp, forehead, eyes. Feel a warm, soothing light gently touching these areas, releasing tightness and fatigue. Move your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Imagine the light melting away stiffness, calming discomfort. Let the light flow through your arms or your hands. Feel every finger relaxing, your palms softening. Bring this gentle healing energy to your chest and heart. Any emotional tension dissolves, leaving space for peace and love. Move the light to your abdomen and lower back. Feel warmth and relaxation fill every muscle. Bring the light to your legs, knees, calves, feet. Every part of your body is grounded, supported, and alive with healing energy. Take a gentle breath in and exhale fully. Feel the soothing energy of the waterfall surrounding you. Notice the subtle sounds of nature: birds, water, wind. Imagine your body harmonizing with the rhythm of the forest and waterfall. Visualize a soft, radiant light above your head. With each breath, it descends slowly, filling your body with warmth, calm, and healing. Imagine your thoughts like leaves floating gently on water. No need to hold on, just observe them, letting them drift away. Notice your heartbeat slowing, your breathing becoming effortless, rhythmic. Feel the connection between yourself, the waterfall, and the surrounding forest. You are safe, supported, and completely at peace. Feel the gentle energy of the waterfall infusing your being. Sense the harmony spreading from your body to the environment. Bring your attention to the blessings in your life. Feel gratitude for your body, mind, and heart. Imagine sending love and appreciation to those around you, and also to yourself. Allow this gratitude to expand, filling the air, the forest, the waterfall. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, letting the feeling settle in your body. Notice a warm sense of peace growing within you. Feel the harmony between your mind, body, and environment. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the ground beneath you, the air on your skin, the sounds around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one more deep breath in and exhale fully. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace, calm, and healing with you throughout your day. Remember that you can return to this waterfall and peaceful space whenever you wish. Feel gratitude for taking this time for yourself, for your body, mind, and spirit. Let this calmness remain with you, gently guiding your day. Take a final moment to honor yourself and the journey you've just experienced. Smile softly, knowing that this feeling of peace is always accessible. Carry this healing energy with you as you move forward.